Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate image in LibreOffice Draw. So let's get straight into it. We have a few options, so let's get started. Now the rotation mode, so click on the image to select it and then click the rotate icon in the toolbar or click the image again. So if you found the in the toolbar right here, that you can rotate. So if we go here in toolbar, write this one, and you will see here drop down menu, and the first one will be rotate. And now you can click and drag the corners of your image. So again, let's go and do that. And now we can rotate the whole image. The trick you can do is hold down the shift key while rotating to restrict the rotation to 15 degrees increment so that you are more precise. Now, the second options that you can rotate image is select image and then right click the image. And you will see rotate or flip. Select that. Choose to rotate 90 degrees to the left, to the right, or 80 degrees, like something like that, for example. So this is the next option that you can do. Now we have also precise rotation. And yeah, select the image again, then click right click on the image and select position and size. Go to the rotation, tap to enter a specific angle. So now you can position X and position Y. Now you can set it and you are good to go. This is really precise and it can get handy. And then this is basically it, how you can rotate and flip your image in LibreOffice Draw. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.